I'm out here in Johnson Park, beautiful Collierville, Tennessee. I'll tell you what, folks, anywhere in Tennessee that you can get off the beaten path like this, get out and do it. Wherever your home state is, you have some kind of beaten path. But this is one of my favorites. So what I'm out here for is I want to share with you a really cool application that you can get off your phone. There's all kinds of different apps. This one's called Picture This. Now, I can stop and look at a tree, a limb, or the bark, whatever, and I can take a picture of it, and it tells me exactly what it is. And all kinds of native names for it. Its scientific name, and it tells how it grows, what temperature it's best at, what kind of soil. I mean, this thing is really detailed. So I'm going to show it to you how it works. And again, you can go to your phone's app and to buy. And this particular one, Picture This, is about $30 a year. So you want to invest that if you're out there and you go, wow, I wonder what kind of plant that is. I wonder what kind of flower that is. And you can do it in your garden, with weeds, with anything that's green or brown and growing out of the dirt. So let me show you what we're going to do here. All right, this is Picture This. It's that little green tulip looking thing, and you press on that, and up comes Picture This. Now I have a year subscription, and as you can see, there's a little camera button down here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to press that camera button, real simple. Now, what I want to do is take this area of the screen, and I'm going to come down here, and I'm going to come down to this beautiful little plant here, and I'm simply going to focus in on it, and then I'm going to press the snapshot, and it says, 1 moment please, identifying, and look how fast that goes. Already has given me the identification. Here it comes. And there's a picture, and that picture stays in my, it's called my garden. So what this is called a Philadelphia fleabane, which is a species of fleabanes. It's also known as a common fleabane, Philadelphia fleabane, daisy fleabane, robin's plantain, frostroot, and skirvish. And then you can scroll down, and it has images of it, and there's that flower that I just took a picture of. And it says, there's all kinds of little cool questions. Do you need to cut back Philadelphia fleabane? How do I get rid of Philadelphia fleabane? Is Philadelphia fleabane a weed? Can you divide Philadelphia fleabane? And it goes on. And then it has a description, and really interesting. And this particular fleabane is found in meadows, fields, woodlands, and along roadsides all over North America. This is an introduced species in Europe and Asia, and is considered an invasive species in certain regions of these two continents. They even have some poems on certain plants and flowers and whatever, but just a wealth of information and interesting facts. So if you're really into botany, this is the application to get. Picture This, as you can see on the screen. So I don't leave home without it now. Wherever I go, out in the woods, hiking or wherever, take a picture, and it tells you exactly what it is. And so you've learned a lot. It's great information. I don't remember any of it. So I go to it's called My Garden, so I can pull up and go, oh yeah, I remember that. Yeah, that was cannabis. No, that wasn't cannabis. I haven't come across any of that. I can even go through these woods and take a picture of that magnificent tree, just the bark, and it'll tell me exactly what it is and where's it from and all that kind of stuff, and what kind of wood is it used for. Is it used for furniture? One of these trees out here is used for baseball bats and special kind of hardwood furniture. So folks, Picture This. It's a great app to take with you. If you're really serious about wanting to know about the names of nature, beautiful, what God put on this earth, this is the app. Now, like I said, there's other apps, and I looked at them. I really like this one. This one is the 2 green thumbs up. Well, really, I actually am not even good with artificial plants. They kind of die on me. So, but anyway, That's what I had to share with you. It's to me, it's really important. It's just part of the learning process and being out here in nature. Check y'all later. Bye-bye. Okay, so after actually that was a 6-mile walk out in Johnson Park. So what do after you walk 6 miles? You come to Lost Pizza here near the square in beautiful Collierville, Tennessee, and you get a pizza. Now what I got was the jalapeno, mushroom, and pepperoni, and this is the 15-inch pizza. I love their thin crust, very thin crust. And I need carbs after walking 6 miles and taking pictures of all these beautiful plants and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, once you do something like that, folks, reward yourself, baby boomers, and treat yourself to a pizza or some spaghetti and meatballs, something really cool, and enjoy. So I'm going to enjoy this. I love Lost Pizza. I love their pizza. It is the best of the best, and just makes you feel all good inside. Makes it, So, check you later. Bye-bye now. Bye-bye. Oh boy. Isn't that is, look at that. That's really good stuff. Oh, and by the way, folks, I forgot, after I said goodbye, I forgot to tell you, digestive enzymes. Okay, digestive enzymes. Very good. All right, so, the best. Okay, now bye now. Bye now. And other than Lost Pizza, once you've been out in the woods and you've had a great time, you want to come to this place in Collierville, Tennessee, and there you'll see it on the screen where this place is, but it's right off of Poplar, just going past the square, and this is my favorite place for eggplant parmesan. Here, taste. No, wait. I got to taste it first. Oh, wow. Folks, this is the bomb. Definitely 2 forks up, folks. Excellent. See y'all out in the woods with that Picture This app to check out all those plants and trees and shrubs and weeds and bushes and whatever. Bye for now. Bye-bye.
Fabulous. Oh. Come on. Love that.
Silly boy.